Hi everyone, welcome back to eTechWise. Today we are building an AI native powerhouse. This video is a complete guide to installing Oracle Apex 26.ai, Oracle Database 26.ai, and ORDS 26. This one is specially dedicated to Khaled. Let's dive in. First, we need our software. Download Apex 26, the 26 AI database for Windows, and ORDS 26. We're going to stay organized. I'm using C2626 and creating three folders: DB, Apex, and ORDS. Extract everything into its place and let's get to work. Database core installation. Head into the DB folder and run setup.exe. Click Next. Choose your path and set your SYS password. I'm choosing Oracle for this lab. This installation takes a moment, so I'll pause here and jump back once it's done. Alright, we are finished. Click Finish and our database foundation is live. Apex 26.ai configuration. Now, let's install Apex 26. Open CMD as administrator and navigate to your Apex folder. Log into SQLPlus as SYSDBA and switch to the FreeDB1 container. Now run the installation at apexins SQL default tablespace temp pi. While that runs, remember this is the latest AI integrated version. Once it's finished, we'll set the admin credentials using at apxchpwd.sql. Enter your username, email, and a strong password. Finally, unlock the Apex public user and run at apex rest-config.sql to finish the rest configuration. Apex is ready. ORDS and Java JDK 26 setup. Next up, ORDS. First, create a config folder inside your ORDS directory. Now, a critical prerequisite. We need Java JDK 26. Let's check with Java version. Since it's not here yet, we'll download the 64-bit installer and run the setup. Now that Java is verified, we run the command java jar ords var config and paste our folder path. Follow the prompts localhost port 8080 and service name freepdb1. For images, path number 8, just point it to your Apex images folder. I'm switching my standalone port to 8090. You see that valid status? That's what we want. Pro deployment on Tomcat. Now for the professional touch, deploying on Apache Tomcat. After extracting Tomcat, go to the Web Apps folder. We'll paste our Apex images folder here and rename it to simply II. Next, copy the odd var into the Web Apps folder. I'm changing the Tomcat port to 9090. Now if you see an error starting up, it's because Tomcat needs the ORDS config path. We'll fix that by creating a setenv.bat file in the bin directory with the config path. Restarting now. And there it is! The big reveal and outro. Go to localhost 9090 ORDS. Boom. The new Apex 26 is running perfectly on Tomcat. We'll log into the internal workspace and create a test environment. It's fast, it's powerful, and it's AI ready. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to eTechWise. I'll see you in the next one.